This Seasons Realty LLC property video is presented by the Bracher Team. Build your brand new dream home here on this oversized corner lot. Lot is located across from Gulf Access Properties. Beautiful newer built homes in this neighborhood. Up and coming Northwest Cape area, convenient to public boat ramp, Stonis and Jim Jeffers Parks, local elementary school, shopping and dining. Check out this lot today. For more information, review the details below or contact the Bracher Team at 239-910-0669.